If you are looking for the best dropshipping automation software tool, here's a review I really want you to pay attention to. Number 10, we have Importify. Our score, 8 over 10. So when you think about Importify, I want you to think about three things: simplicity, flexibility, okay, and you have ease of use. So you have a great user interface here, and you're able to find, import, and sell dropshipping products real quick. And the cool thing here is that they have a database where you can get dropshipping suppliers from the US, EU, and China, okay? And you can sell their products online with a few clicks. This is really good. What we love about Importify is the fact also is that you can import products in seconds, okay? They have a built-in product description editor, which is really good. And you have pricing rules that are based on profit margins that you would have set yourself. You are able to also easily change your suppliers. This is really cool. And what we also love with Importify here is that you have this flexibility, but you can contact customer service real quick. So not a problem. You can quickly add products to your online store from AliExpress, Alibaba, Etsy, and many other supported sites, okay? In terms of pricing, as of the date of this show, look on the screen right now. Here is a pricing for Importify. Number 9, we have an API drop. Our score, 8.2 over 10. By the way, welcome back to the show, boss. Really appreciate having you here. We love having this sort of conversation every now and then. So number 10, we have Importify, 8 over 10. Number 9, we have API drop, 8.2 over 10. So when you think about API drop, I want you to think about a great tool, okay? You're able to browse the whole supplier's catalog directly inside API drop. They have something called category import feature. So you can import a whole category. I'm talking about thousands of products with just 2 or 3 clicks, okay? And API Drop also has they have a repricing tool that allows you to have access to advanced repricing, where you can add the shipping cost inside the price calculation, which is really great when you think about it. Because if you have access to multiple products, having the ability to reprice can be very helpful. So with the API Drop, you can actually sync your shop in 5 steps. You can browse millions of products. You have multi-supplier order with ease. You can choose products your customer really want to buy. You can support the top 10 e-commerce platforms, from Shopify to BigCommerce to BigCartel and Adobe Commerce. And you can actually use the best technology possible when it comes to browsing the catalog of products that you are really interested in. In terms of pricing, here is a pricing on the screen of API Drop as of the date of this show. Number 8, we have here Udroppy. Our score, 8.5 over 10. So when you think about Udroppy, I want you to think about a platform that is designed to support all e-commerce businesses. It doesn't matter if you are on Amazon, you are on Shopify, you are on BigCommerce, BigCartel, it doesn't really matter, okay? And what we love about Udroppy is that they really help you out throughout the process. So they take care of sourcing, fulfilling, okay, and shipping your products. All you have to do is just sign up and just give the work for Udroppy. I mean, you got to do 2 things though. You got to sign up. You got to do the marketing, because you need to actually draw the traffic that you need to really you need to have traffic to your store, right? So when you think about Udroppy, what we love about Udroppy is the centrality. It's the dashboard. So everything is centralized. You don't have to actually do anything extra. You're able to leverage Udroppy to source the products you want to sell, import them to your store, manage and fulfill orders, optimize cost and scale to an international brand and private label. And all of these things from a single console. Okay, the centralization things I was just talking to you about earlier. Centralization is really important. By the way, boss, I want to remind you of today's topic. What are we talking about? We are talking about the top 10 dropshipping automation software tools. Okay, they're really kicking ass right now. Very important. So with Udroppy, you are basically connecting your online store, you are importing products, and you are making sales. Very easy, okay? And in terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is a pricing for Udroppy as of the date of this show. Number 7, we have here Ali Dropship. Our score, 8.8 over 10. Now, one thing we love about Ali Dropship here is that it's just celerity, it's just speed. Okay, you actually get a lot of stuff done real quick, and basically Ali Dropship does everything for you. So their team build your online store from A to Z. So they help you select the most profitable niche. They create a professional design website, like they create a professionally designed website for you. Okay, you have a personal manager from Ali Dropship that actually guides you through every step. No work is required from you, and no experience is necessary. You just gotta pay them. That's all. Okay, so basically, when you think about Ali Dropship, you are getting a turnkey business ready to bring in profits. Okay, and so this is really, I mean, you really have to trust the experience of the Ali Dropship team. They've been doing this for many years now, so you're able to actually do that. You can actually outsource the task to them, or if you want to do it yourself, you can do it. They have a plugin that is very easy to install and customize. You have one-click import of top-selling AliExpress products. Okay, you can set your profit margins exactly what you want them. You have easy management and marketing with their automated solutions. So this is really good. So you have the option. You have the option of either, entrusting them with your store or doing it yourself. In terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for Ali Dropship as of the date of this show. Number 6, we have Spocket. Our score, 9/10. When you think about Spocket, I want you to think about an all-time winning platforms. Okay, and what we love about Spocket is that they provide you with drop shipping suppliers from the US and Europe. This is really good. So instead of having a 4-week delivery time, you're probably having 1 week. In some cases, you have 3 days. Okay, so with Spocket, you're able to find winning dropshipping products. You can try the products yourself. You can connect your online store with ease to the Spocket platform. You can discover dropshipping suppliers with fast shipping. Okay, and what we love here is that with Spocket, you have a constellation of integrations. Okay, everything from your accounting integrations like QuickBooks and whatnot, all the way to your e-commerce ones from like Amazon, Etsy, and whatnot. Shopify, BigCommerce, WooCommerce, or whatever. Okay, so this is really cool. And here is the price for. I want you to look right now on the screen here. Here is the pricing for a Spocket as of the date of this show. So we have the yearly pricing, and then we have the monthly pricing. Number 5, we have here AutoDS, our score, 9.1/10. So when you think about AutoDS, I want you to think about a player that just popped up on the. They popped on the screen, probably like on the marketplace, rather. Not on the screen, on the scene, about 5 years ago or 7 years ago, something like this. And actually, it was in 2016. And what we realized that they meant business. Okay, they've been working hard. They actually help you with everything from product research to order automation. By the way, boss, I want to quickly remind you of today's conversation. The topic we're actually pursuing today, I'm sharing with you the best dropshipping automation software. Okay, so with AutoDS, you can do a lot of things. You can find training dropshipping products. You have one-click dropshipping product imports. Okay, you have 24/7 price and stock monitoring. This is really good also, so you are able to always stay on top of the situation, whatever is happening with you or with your dropshipping store. That's what I'm in. And you have automated dropshipping orders. Okay, so this is really good. One thing I want to say here is that I want you to look right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for AutoDS as of the date of this show. Number 4, here we have Dropify, our score, 9.3/10. So when you think about Dropify, I want you to think about a tool that is really great that allows you to actually find, promote, and automate. That's the trifecta. They actually revolve their tool around. Okay, so you can dropship for eBay and AliExpress. Okay, and so you can use Dropify to find, import, and sell profitable products from AliExpress, eBay, Alibaba, and 75 other websites. That's the fine part. You can promote, so you can actually drive traffic to your store using Dropify's step-by-step video training, and you can start selling your products in no time. Okay, and you can automate. You can set up Dropify to automate your entire dropshipping process from order fulfillment to delivery. Okay, so this is really good. So you can add products in seconds. We're talking about adding products like in seconds, boss. You can automatically place orders. You can sell your products for free on Facebook Marketplace, for example. You can find, import, and add products. So the flexibility is kind of cool. The centrality also of the command that you actually are controlling everything from a single dashboard. We really love that a lot. and you have automated rules. You can track, manage, and customize orders without any hassles. What we love our team here is just the fact that you have flexibility with Dropify. Really wonderful. I want you to see right now the price for Dropify as of the date of this show on the screen. Number 3 here, we have inventory source. Our score, 9.6 over 10. So when you think about inventory source, you are thinking about a player that's really kicking ass. Can you believe they have more than 230 to 250 pre-integrated suppliers? They have more than 25 e-commerce platform integrations and 200,000 unique products minimum. That's a lot, right? Think about it. I mean, this is just fantastic. So inventory source is really kicking ass here. So this is a platform that allows you to find your dropship supplier real quick. You can choose your dropship software, okay, and you can start selling. So 1, 2, 3. The thing here is that you gotta be careful though, because with the inventory source, sometimes they say they have 24/7 customer support, but when you reach out to them, they're not really as fast. So you got to be a little patient here. It is what it is, but they're really good. When they get back to you, they are really good. They're really responsive. That they're really they know their stuff. Okay, but they might not get back to you like within 1 hour or 2 hours. Okay, so this is something you need to really think about. Number 2 here, we have DSM tool, our score, 9.7 over 10. So when you think about DSM tool, I want you to think about a couple of things. First of all, you are able to centralize everything. Okay, you are able to find products for dropshipping. You can add those products to your store. You can reprice and optimize. It's really cool. You can place orders. You can give customer support. This is kind of cool. One thing we love about DSM tool here is that it has a lot of automations. Okay. It has a lot of like their image editor is really good. So you're able to have a bulk lister. So when we talk about adding products to your store, you are able to actually take advantage of their bulk lister, title optimization suggestion, image editor, and many more features. Okay, this is part of the software, part of the platform that you actually can get through DSM tool. One thing we also love here is that we love the fact that you are able to give customer support, so you can receive customer messages directly to your private DSM messages center. So this is really cool. So if you keep doing that, you are basically becoming a pro with DSM's automatic messaging system and customizable reply templates. So this is really cool, fantastic. In terms of pricing, I want you to look right now on the screen when it comes to DSM tool as of the date of this show. Number 1, the best of the best in our view when it comes to the top 10 dropshipping automation software tools you have here. Deezers, our score, 9.9 over 10. And the cool thing about Deezers or DSers, whatever, it's basically dropshippers. And what happened after Overload got shut down was that Shopify officially, and they came out officially, they said it officially, they actually recommended that all dropshippers move to Deezers, okay? And for a good reason, because the platform is really kicking ass, okay? And the cool thing here is that they support Shopify and WooCommerce store orders, and they're very soon they'll be supporting also BigCommerce store orders as well as other store orders. What I want to say here is that when we think about Deezers, we're thinking about a player that actually has a lot of integrations. You are able to optimize your suppliers, find cheaper and better suppliers selling the same products. You are able to go through the product management, so you can find, import, and edit products, auto update stock and prices. They have bulk orders, so you can place hundreds, if not thousands of orders with one click in a few seconds. This is really cool. They have automation, so you can automatically track orders and package status, and you can manage multiple Shopify stores in one account. Okay, and one thing I want to say here is that you got to understand that one drawback, okay, in our view, that if you only use it if you are dropshipping with AliExpress, okay. But if you love AliExpress, then go ahead and do it, okay. And but I want to show you right now on the screen. Here is the pricing for Deezers as of the date of this show. Here is the Shopify pricing. Here is the Wix pricing. Here is a WooCommerce pricing. Let me quickly talk to you about another important element. I mean, there is one extra dropshipping automation software tool that I want to share with you that we believe is really good also when it comes to what it's supposed to do. You have ZenDrop. Our score is 7.8 over 10. Okay, now ZenDrop used to be called Silk Road before, like back in the days, whatever. But now ZenDrop actually they do have their own suppliers though, so you don't have to use AliExpress. They have their own database of suppliers, and you just need to see what really works for you. And the thing here is that when you think about ZenDrop, you got to think about the like they have about 1.5 million products. Okay, and we're talking about products that really can be delivered real fast. We're speaking about fast shipping. So they have suppliers actually in the States and Europe also, and they offer automated drop shipping, so you can fire your fulfillment like really quick. And they have world-class support. They have US product. This is really good. One thing we love with the ZenDrop is that they actually provide US products. So you have about 500,000 to 750. So 500,000 to 3/4 of a million of products that are usually actually sourced from the US. And when you think about it, those products, if they're sourced from the US, they are delivered real fast. Okay, so you don't have to wait 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks. You're getting your products in 3 days or maximum 1 week. With ZenDrop, you also have real-time analytics. We love that a lot. You have custom branding. Okay, they take care of subscription boxes. So if you are in dropshipping and you want to take advantage of the recurring revenue model by creating subscription boxes, you can do so with a very few easy clicks. Okay, and so overall, we recommend the ZenDrop to high volume sellers because you can grow your brand with a custom tailored experience and an entire team dedicated to your business. So this is really cool. Okay, and what we love about ZenDrop here is that they are basically doing a lot of good stuff. However, they're not the best in the industry. We believe they're better in the industry here. Okay, but hey, listen, they are a serious player that you might want to consider if you just take a look and see what they're good for, if they might be good for your business. Here is a pricing for ZenDrop as of the date of this show. To close today's conversation here, let me just say one thing. It's really important to understand that if you want to survive in dropshipping, you can't do things manually. I mean, you can start. When you start, you can do things manually, like a couple of orders here and there. But once you start growing, you can't do it manually. I mean, you're just gonna die, boss. If you try to do this, this is really tough. Okay, so you want to use dropshipping automation software. Okay, and the thing here is that it's basically an order processing app that will help you easily manage your dropshipping orders. Okay, because see, the thing is that when let's say if you don't have an app, if you did not have an app, you know what will happen? What will happen here is that you'll get an order. You have to go to your dropshipping supplier, for example, an AliExpress seller, and you have to order each of your orders manually, typing in everything yourself, like the address of your customer. Think about it, the zip code of your customer, their name, and God forbid if they have a complicated name, like if they have one of those mile-long names, you just like whatever. And so if you were to do do you see yourself, imagine having thousands of orders each day, and you have to do this every single day. Do you see yourself ordering them all manually? I don't think so, right? So this is where this dropship automation software tool, this order processing apps, they come into play because they will help you to easily place your orders with your dropshipping supplier. Some of those processing apps only support AliExpress, but some apps will also support other websites like eBay, Amazon, DHgate, and many more. Okay, so this is really important. And some even have their own dropshipping suppliers available for you. So you have flexibility. So you have diversity. So you have variety. And that's what you need anyway in this game. Before closing today's conversation, boss, I want to quickly share with you how we evaluate the dropshipping software tools. Okay, I want you to look right now on the screen, and I want you to see our e-commerce solution evaluation approach. because we have a very strict methodology here. And so check this out. Okay, let me quickly recap here. So I just shared with you the top 10 dropshipping automation software tools. Number 1, we have Deezer's 9.9 over 10. Number 2, we have here DSM Tool 9.7 over 10. Number 3, we have Inventory Source 9.6 over 10. Number 4, we have Dropify 9.3 over 10. Number 5, we have here AutoDS 9.1 over 10. Number 6, we have Spocket 9 over 10. Number 7, we have here Ali Dropship 8.8 over 10. Number 8, we have here Udroppy 8.5 over 10. Number 9, we have API Drop. Our score 8.2 over 10. And number 10, last but not the least, we have Importify. Our score 8 over 10. And in our bonus category, we have here Zendrop. Our score 7.8 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention. I really appreciate it. God bless you. I'll see you next time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.